So we have arrived to Brierley Hill. We are now at the fence pool. This is actually a natural reserve here. Here we have some info about this natural reserve. Just forgot to mention that Brierley Hill is part of Black Country. All right, let's see what comes up. So what we have in front is a lake called the Middle Pool. Nice area we have here. Right, so here we have the address of this place in case someone's interested. And this lake is called the Grove Pool. Nice view we have also from here. We have a great sky tonight. This can be seen. It looks like being a good area also for bicycling. As I said, look what's written here. Nice one. Right, let's go to the town center in Nikolai. Let's see how this town is looking like. Right, just forgot to mention that Brierley Hill is best known for glass and steel manufacturing. That's interesting. But so far it's quite a nice town. So we are now in Brierley Hill town center. As can be seen, they have a couple of shops here. I guess you can buy from here almost everything you need. This is looking like a small town. Right, so bus to Dudley from here takes only 7 minutes, which means Dudley is not far away from here. So far the town looks okay. Sadly today's Saturday, no? Or Sunday. Today's Sunday, so almost all the shops are closed. But I guess there's much more things to see, so stay tuned. Right, so one of the main attractions of this town is St. Michael's Church. So let's have a look. So I guess this is the main entrance of this church. Here we see another old cemetery. Crosses having different styles. I mean, look how old is this one, for example. It's from 1809. Pretty interesting tombs we have here, with different styles compared with what we have seen so far. Quite a large cemetery they have here, right in the center of this town. Again, this is having a different architecture compared with what we have seen in the previous videos. Right, so this will be all from St. Michael's Church.